We just received our Cassaro kitchen tower and I am so excited about it. This is a Waldorf climbing tower which you can use either in the kitchen or in the playroom. And we are going to build it and discover it together. As you could see, the building instructions all fit in one single page, so you know this is going to be an easy build. So first I am getting all the different parts out of the box so I can see everything clearly. And the material is really high quality since it's made with premium heavy-duty wood. So now this is how the different parts look before you assemble it. Again, this is a single page to assemble everything, so this is going to be an easy job. You might want to have someone else with you, but I built it alone. The first step is to screw the wood bars into the tower. My advice is to not screw them too tightly because you will see you will need to insert the base at some point and it's just easier if not everything is too tight already. And step one is completed. Again, it was so easy to do. Now the second step is to insert the second side of the tower and to screw everything together. Alright, and now it is time to insert the base, which is where your child is going to stand. In the instruction it says to slide it through the side, but actually you want to have things put a little loosely and you will insert it through the top. I think this is just because they had a different model of this tower and this is the updated version with the old instructions. Overall, it was really simple to understand and really simple to do. And at this point of the assembly, this is all the construction you will have to do because the slide/blackboard is a part that you simply want to insert because you will be able to remove it as you please. So as you can see, there is 3 different hooks and I will show you how to lock it into place, but you simply want to slide it into these hooks and lock it. The blackboard is perfect to secure your child while they are in the tower, and it's also a great learning Canva to write on it and teach your child while they are playing at the same time. Now look at that, you can actually remove it and change it into a slide. And this is why I love this tower so much, because it is a kitchen stand which helps your child learn to cook with you, but it is also a great toy and it is highly versatile. Look at how easy it is to change the look of this tower. Now I'm going to just show you how to lock it into place. So once you have the blackboard part into the hooks, you will just push it fully into the hooks, and as you can see, it slides down a little bit. Now let's talk dimensions. For reference, I'm a little taller than 5'8", and this tower is 37 inches tall and 20 inches wide on one side and 18 inches wide on the other side. It weighs only 25 pounds but can support up to 180 pounds. So you know your child will be safe on this tower, and I just love the minimal look, which is perfect to let kids build their own imagination. It's versatile, it's beautiful, it's simple, I love it.